The hills are alive with the sound of Albo's bullshit, with slogans that echo all day long. He smiles and waves while dodging questions about radical Islam and Islamic hate preachers, and sings like nothing could go wrong. The hills are alive with bullshit spinning nonsense, with BS talking points from Penny Wong and Tony Berg falling like rain. Albo twirls his words, avoids the truth, and does it all again and again. Albo announces gun restrictions and restricts the internet, says trust the plan, but won't say when. Every crisis gets a brand new line, every answer's carefully designed. He hums along while the problems grow, changes the tune but not the show. If you ask too much about immigration or radical Islam, he smiles and says, let's not jump ahead, we're on our way. Tony Berg gaslights the public while Penny Wong deflects. Every question gets redirected next. Call it nuance, call it care, just don't say what's really there. The hills are alive with the sound of Albo's bullshit, with promises floating on air. He dances past what won't be fixed and hopes no one will stare. The hills are alive with a sound spinning, smiling, with gaslighting and deflection, but underneath the harmony, nothing's really changing here. Now remember, folks, optimism is policy. They say it's fine, they say it's fair, they say the answers are over there, but every time you follow the tune, you're humming yesterday's excuse.
Oh, humming yesterday's excuse.
Oh, the hills are alive with Albo's